Hey y'all, ready to get your griddle on? Today we're gonna step way outside what we know what we're doing. We're gonna make some chili. These are frozen peppers. Put them on first because they were frozen because we had some. And we'll add some celery. That's going to take a little time to cook. And if we're doing the Holy Trinity, we have to add onion too. Like I said, I'm warning you now, I don't have a clue what I'm doing. This may be something incredible, or it may be a total failure. But I'm willing to try because I love chili. My regular chili is world famous, at least in my own mind. We got that going. Now, what else can we throw in there to make it interesting? How about we've got a ground beef and pork blend. Don't usually find this. I have to mix it myself. This may go a lot quicker than I expected to. So far, nothing's burnt. That's a good sign. Let's see. We'll add a little bit of sea salt. A little bit of coarse ground black pepper. And just a little garlic. Actually, we really don't need that because I have some garlic I need to ladle in there. Pepper. Okay. Let's say we spoon in a little bit of minced garlic. Maybe that much. That's not enough. Okay. And we can go ahead and start blending all this, I think. I may have to dig out a second spatula. Some of the stuff's trying to hide back here in the corner. Uh-oh. Don't be so messy, Baja. Let's keep some of the food on the griddle this time. Okay. second spatula on standby. But wait, there's more. I have chili without some chili seasoning. I have no idea how much to add. When I did some taco seasoning on some meat, it was way too much. And I don't want to overpower. So we'll sprinkle a little on, and we can always add more. Okay, now we can get the double spatula game going here. I don't know how it's going to taste, but it sure smells good. Flushing it out a little. Try to get some of these meat pieces done. Let that go a minute. And my lovely assistant doesn't really care for jalapenos or spicy. I think I'm going to go ahead and grill a couple if I can find a spot. Grilled peppers, griddled peppers are so good, y'all. So good. Last time I did 3. I was just going to try one and maybe save the other 2 for a dish or something. And it was too good. I ate both of them, or all 3 of them. And they were delicious. But man, did I pay for it. Okay, let's check our seasoning. Let's go a little more chili. After we stir this some. In case you missed it, the winds get so bad up here sometimes. So I moved my official Blackstone windscreens to the front, and I've got the cheapy dollar store scrapers on the sides. That should do it. Let's mix that up, get it stirred up. Ooh. I got spatter on my Tootsie. Okay, move on. I see your tennis ball, Baja. We'll get to it. Okay. Something else my lovely assistant doesn't care for is mushrooms. But I love them. So, got a little bit of ghee. And we got some baby bella mushrooms. That will be all for me. Me. What about me? room for my trash. Okay. But wait, there's more. That looks, oh, that's looking good. So, did I say, but wait, there's more? It slices, it tastes. It has all kinds of crises. We got some stewed tomatoes in a can. Mexican recipe. Ah. Okay, I'll get that later. But wait, there's more. We got real tomatoes. Just to give it a little kick. And I know those definitely won't take long. Stay in your lane, bro. You can probably hear the neighborhood peacocks talking. They probably think it smells good too. What do you think? Is it just goulash? Or is it going to taste something like chili? We shall see. Okay. I'll turn this side off. The mushrooms will take a little bit more time than the peppers. Oh, they're all smelling good. So, I think I got a old crab claw. Okay, I got it pulled out. I got a tennis ball. And, let me say we do a little taste test. I think I need a little bit more chili taste. Could have thrown beans on here too. Let's not get carried away. There's only so much room. Right, Baja? I'll probably put some Crystal hot sauce on mine, because everything's better with Crystal. Sriracha's a possibility, but I love my Crystal. Okay. Mushrooms are getting done. Ooh. Peppers are getting done. And I'm getting hungry. So, let's see if I can get you out of this fancy tripod without turning anything off. Ah, there we go. Peppers. Yum, mushrooms. And either goulash or chili-like substance. We'll find out. So, yeah, thanks for watching. And y'all have a great day. Bye.